Hello, Rudy Campos with the Rudy Campos Home Selling Team at eXp Realty. Today we're standing here at the Sterling Hills with a beautiful view of the golf course, fields, etc. And the topic that I want to cover today is important if you're thinking about buying a piece of land to build a residential home, condominium, apartment, building, etc. So here are 12 facts that you need to consider when buying vacant land. Number one, zoning and land use regulations. You want to check the zoning regulations to ensure that the land is suitable for the residential developing you're planning to do. You also want to verify if there's any land use restrictions or limitations that could affect your project. Number two, you want to find out about permits and approvals. Inquire about the necessary permits and approvals to build your residential construction. Check with the local authorities, whether it be county or it be a city. Number three, you want to find out about utilities and infrastructure. So first of all, confirm if there's availability to the essential utilities you will need, such as water, electricity, gas, and sewage. Number four, access and transportation. Evaluate the desirability of the land and proximity to main roads. Consider the convenience of transportation and commuting options for people that may be living in the area or if you plan to build on that site. Number five, you want to find out about topography and soil conditions. You need to examine the topography of the land to identify any potential challenges for construction. Conduct also soils tests to assess the soils and also conditions and determine special foundation requirements that you might need to know about before you actually start building. Number six, you want to find out about the environmental considerations. Investigate environmental issues, flood zones, protected habitats. Verify easements and restrictions in order to build. Survey and boundaries. Number seven, conduct a survey and also be able to determine accurately the boundaries of this lot that you're purchasing. Also verify again easements and restrictions to said land use. Number eight, title and ownership issues. You want to be able to preview title reports, encumbrances, liens against the property or the owner to make sure that you can actually buy the property from the actual person who owns the property. Okay? Number nine, future development plans. Are there going to be any future developments taking place near the site or next to where you are going to build? You want to make sure that you know and understand what that entails. So you would check again with the local authorities, the county, or the city for future plans that may be coming up. Number 10, you want to find out about your cost and budgeting, meaning you need to assess all the costs realistically involved with the purchase, the taking fees, permits in schools, and also the development expenses to build your project. You want to know that ahead of time before you actually start your building or even buying a property. Number 11, resale value and market trends. So the consideration is, are you planning to live in this property you're going to buy and build on, or are you planning to sell it in the future? So you want to consider potential resale value of this property. You want to stay informed of the current market trends and any changes taking place in the area. And number 12, you want to also find out legal aspects of the purchase. You want to get legal assistance. So it's a good idea to consult with a real estate attorney to make sure that you understand all the legal aspects of the contracts that you're going to be involved with, including the purchase of the property as well as contracts that you may have with contractors, subcontractors, as well as also with the city or the county that you're dealing with. If you're thinking about buying a piece of land to build a house, to build apartments, condominium, etc., give me a call. You know, if you're planning also to sell a property, land, acreage, give me a call, and I can give you, you know, detailed information as to what you need to look out for, what things you want to consider, these 12 points that we just discussed, or any specific questions that you have regarding your particular situation. Call me at 805-479-2992, 805-479-2992. Again, Rudy Campos with the Rudy Campos Home Selling Team at eXp Realty. If you like the information provided you, please click on like, share this also with your friends and family, and until the next video that we're going to do, have a great day. Thank you.